My video guide is about getting rid of the fake human verification alerts that come from the site News-jivuka.cc. News-jivuka.cc is a deceptive site that tries to trick its visitors into clicking on a special allow button, supposedly to confirm that the person is not a robot. But in reality, it is a mistake to do that. It is a mistake to click on allow, because in this case, the browser will be hijacked and infected. Because of that, you may be forwarded to some other junk pages in the internet. Also, on top of that, you may start getting the great portion of advertisements that will be displayed randomly in the right part of the computer screen. So, it's a mistake if you have clicked on allow, but this mistake can be easily fixed. You need to access the menu of your browser, go to Settings. Now choose Privacy and Security, then Site Settings. Go to Permissions section and select Notifications. Pay careful attention to all the websites that are allowed to send notifications. Most likely you will find this junk site called News-jivuka.cc. So you need to click on this button and remove the malicious site from the list. Finally, we also recommend researching the system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best place to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the application, and start researching and investigating your computer with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.